11 years old. Talk to me before we leave, okay?
Welcome to mypresidenttrump.com. Now, if you like the lockdown, if you like having to wear a mask everywhere, you're going to love national health care ran by the Democrats, because this is what happens when politicians take control of medicine. The masks, the lockdowns, the crazy politically motivated medical care. Now, when you see Democrats say that we need national health care, we need single payer, this would give them the power that they've been exercising during the pandemic, except it will never end. If the government, if politicians, if the Democrats run medicine, then they will be able to do the pandemic rules, not these particular ones, but any rules they want, whenever they want. And if you cross them, if you cross a politician, you may have the right to freedom of speech, but they will take away your right to a doctor. If you don't believe me, Adolf Hitler ran on national health care. One of the things he promised, and he delivered, the Aryans, the whites, and the Nazis got very good health care. The Jews, the dissenters, the communists, the homosexuals, they got a very different form of health care. Let's go through what national health care was like for the Jews under Nazism. They were sterilized. That's right. If you were a male, your nuts were cut off. If you were a female, your ovaries were ripped off. Jews were not allowed to have children. So Jews, under national health care, because it was free, were sterilized. If you were a communist, they didn't want commies reproducing. So commies had their nuts cut off. If you had a mental disability, a physical or mental disability, Down syndrome, sterilized. That's national health care, baby. And if you support the Democrats and you want national health care, don't be surprised when they sterilize you too. The masks, the lockdowns, the German-style sterilization of their political opponents, it all happened. And if you don't know history, you will repeat it. And if you don't know what national health care in Germany did to the Jews, gypsies, gays, and any and all people who criticize Hitler, then you will find out when they do it to you. The pandemic, the mask, the lockdown, that is your taste of democratic national health care. You're watching mypresidenttrump.com. Stop the Democrats before they ruin your life more than they already have.
Promise, all right? Anybody under 15, you get something special today.